Is your Amazon account or Asin listing suspended? Then you have come to the right place. We at eSeller Protection can deliver you a bespoke appeal letter and plan of action in as little as 24 hours. Our team has successfully reinstated accounts and ASINs for all types of Amazon suspensions in every Amazon marketplace. From policy to performance violations, we know how to masterfully write for your unique situation. Simply purchase the package that fits your need best, and our company will handle the rest. What are you waiting for? Contact us today and let us recover your valuable assets on Amazon.
Your account has been reactivated and please follow the steps described in your plan on it. Customer provide the social and policy issues.
Is your Walmart account or listing suspended? Then you've come to the right place. I can deliver to you a customized appeal letter and plan of action in as little as 24 hours. I have successfully reinstated accounts and listings for all types of Walmart suspensions in every Walmart marketplace. From policy to performance violations, I know how to masterfully write for your unique suspension situation.